Good morning to all the teachers or staff members. Okay, as you know, from today onwards, AP state government schools are opening. According to this MUO office instructions, from today onwards, all the class teachers are requested to enter the students' attendance in student apps. Okay, so in this video, I am going to show how to use the students' attendance app. Okay, first of all, you go to the Play Store. Then here you search, type students attendance app. So after that, just you type APCFS Andhra Pradesh, you take, and it is already installed in my mobile. So student attendance app, APCFSS mobile apps, just you open here. Then it is already I am logged in here. So username I will give to your personal number, and password also I will provide you. Okay, so presently from 2nd class to 10th class and 12th class they have to mark the attendance. Okay, there are three services are there: input services, reports, and general services. Okay, after entering the username and password, just first of all you have to synchronize the data. Afterwards, go to the students attendance and select the particular class. For example, if you are a class teacher of 6th or 6th BS primary are there, here I am taking an example 6th B. Okay, then you click on the go button, and before marking the attendance, make sure that just don't submit here, just you click the submit button. Check it is that it should be tallied with your class attendance register, and here the if any student new admission is there, please enter the details in the child info website. If any student is taken TC, please remove them. Okay, so don't, this is one. If you are satisfied all the conditions are right, then you click here yes button, otherwise go to the no button and delete them, and after that submit, click on the submit button to mark the attendance. So every day we have to mark this attendance before 10 a.m. to submit this report to the MU office. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.